Hey guys, welcome to my first tutorial on C++. Today we're going to make a game. Yeah, we're going to make a snake game. I call it Snake++, and you'll see how it works. Alright, so this is our game, and we're just a little snake, and we need to catch food to grow. There are no bugs, it works very nice. And there's wrapping also, so if you go over the screen you'll show up on the other side, and when you die your head turns red and you can see that you have lost the game. So it's a very simple game, very basic mechanics, basic rendering. It's just to give you an overall view of game logic and C++ programming. And now we click X to close, and here we see our score and our size. Alright, so you can, after this, you can just make this window not show up, so you'll just have the basic window with the snake game. That's your choice, and that's what we're going to make. Alright guys, so let's see. The first thing you want to do is to download the SDL library, which is this one right here with this name. I'll put a link in the description below so you can download it, and you can put it on your C drive, on your documents, somewhere where you will know where it is. And then if you click, you'll see that it has a very important folder called the include folder and the lib folder. Alright, these are the two most important folders that we'll need to make our game. Okay, so let's just close that. Alright, so once you have downloaded that, you just go and open Visual Studio. Alright, and right there, and you'll go to File, New, Project, an empty project, and you'll just put the name of the project you want. I'll call it TootSnake, and there we go. It's very important that you create an empty project, so you don't have garbage on your project. Alright, so it's just clean and fresh, ready for us to put our hands on it. Okay, now what you want to do is create a file, and we'll call it main. Okay, and let's just print some basic thing to the screen just to make sure it's working. So okay, and now you're going to click on TootSnake right here on properties, and then make sure you have 32 bits right here, because we'll be working with 32 bits on this video, and on configuration manager x86 and 32, so make sure you have that right. And then we go on VC++ directories, include directories, edit, new, ... documents, and you go to your library folder and select include. Okay, and click OK. Then you go into library directories, edit, and you're going to the same place, but you're going to click on lib and then x86 and press OK. Apply. No, we're going to linker and then inputs, and on additional dependencies you want to type this right there, so sdl2.lib and sdl2main.lib. These files are located in the folder you just selected, so they're right here. Alright, and the last thing you want to do is go to system, then subsystem, and select console and press OK. Alright, now the last thing you want to do is in your library folder, so go to your library folder and click leave x86, and then you want to copy the sdl2.dll file. You copy that, then you want to go to your project folder, so Tootsnake. If you want to open it, you can just go to Tootsnake here and open folder in File Explorer and just paste that over there. Alright, so everything should be working. Let's just compile and see if there are any errors with our configurations. Control F5, and okay, everything seems to be working. Alright, if you don't know how to run your program, just go to debug right here and start without debugging, and if you click here, this should pop up. Don't worry about this code if you don't understand. I'll be explaining the core C++ mechanics while doing the game, so just follow with me, type everything you see, you know, just even though you might say, oh, this is so easy, or oh, I understand, he's typing, I don't need to do it myself. Just do it because your muscle memory will thank you, your brain will thank you, your chemistry will thank you, everything will thank you, and you have a solid grasp of C++ if you constantly practice it, if you constantly just type it. Alright, things will start to make sense. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much.